Well, happening tomorrow, 25% tariffs will go into place on some of America's closest and largest trade partners. A 25% tax on imported goods from Canada and Mexico. They'll take effect just after midnight. Siafa Lewis joins us now with the impact it could all have on your bottom line. Siafa?
Yuki, according to many mainstream economists, the cost of groceries and cars could soon increase due to the new tariffs, which President Donald Trump has long promised and finally plans to impose. U.S. markets reacted negatively soon after Trump made the announcement.
It was all smiles as the closing bell of the New York Stock Exchange rang Monday afternoon, but the closing board read differently. The Dow Jones average plummeted 650 points as the tariff deadline drew near. Many economists fear goods such as groceries, electronics, clothes, and cars will increase in prices, leaving investors worried. The tariffs on the U.S.'s top three trading partners, Mexico, China, and Canada.
Tomorrow, tariffs 25% on Canada and 25% on Mexico, and that'll start.
On top of last month's increase, a 10% hike on Chinese imports will be applied as well, bringing the total to 20%. Canada is expected to respond.
We will have a strong, unequivocal, and proportional response as Canadians expect.
Although U.S. companies will ultimately be responsible for paying the tariffs, some say new tariffs could be good leverage for the U.S.
The key would be no tariffs. But to get there, there's a negotiation. He's starting that negotiation.
The Trump administration argues that tariffs will stimulate U.S. production.
So what they have to do is build their car plants, frankly, and other things in the United States, in which case they have no tariffs.
So the idea is come to America, build greatness in America, build for the American customers in order to bring production to America.
Now, reporters asked President Trump if the tariffs could be avoided, to which he answered that there is no room left for negotiations to avoid the tariffs taking hold. He added that he is using tariffs to punish countries that he says were taking from the U.S. economy without giving enough in return. Yuki.
Siafa, thank you for the overview. Of course, we will continue to track the latest from these tariffs as we go forward. You can always find the latest on CBSPhiladelphia.com.